Hi guys, it's Hi Gavin Gabe. Today we're going to be making some monkey bread with these biscuits, the Pillsbury biscuits. So we made monkey bread. We've never made a video about monkey bread, so we thought we'd do that. So let's get started. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
Yep. So now we'll cut up the biscuits.
We're going to cut up the biscuits and combine we can each cut up 1 can of biscuits.
Okay. Start that time lapse. Got the first can. Gavin got the first can of biscuits cut up. Now we're gonna do our second one. So start that time.
I forgot to
I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness.
Well, I got the biscuits all cut up. So next we're gonna be getting this bowl here, and in this bowl you will need to combine 3/4 cup of white sugar going in, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And you're gonna mix that up. What? Mix that up. Alright, so now we got our sugar and cinnamon mixture. So now what you do is you're going to add that into the cut up biscuit and mix it around.
Make sure to get all of it.
Make sure to get the right stuff.
Is it hard to mix?
Yeah, it is.
Then you're not going to get your hands in there.
It's better that your hands are the best tool here for this.
Yeah.
So once you've done it, they should look like that. They should have a lot of cinnamon and sugar on it.
Yeah. There's always some at the end.
Alright, now that we got that all mixed up, Gabe's going to show you.
Okay, so we got our bowl right here. And it's that butter.
3/4 cup of butter.
Or 1.5 sticks. Melt it. And then 3/4 cup of brown sugar going in. Mix that up. You can start putting those in the bump pan while I mix that up.
Alright, you're supposed to then you get a bump pan, make sure it's greased. And then after that, you put your cinnamon sugar things in there all around. You can also add nuts, but we prefer this without nuts.
Yeah. Make sure they don't have to be broken up.
Oh, I like them broken up.
Okay. You can like pour the rest of it on top, cinnamon sugar.
Yeah.
You can sprinkle the rest of the cinnamon sugar on them if you want. There's normally a lot left over. Try not to get it through the hole.
Okay, so you're supposed to spread the remaining cinnamon sugar mixture on top. And then after that...
Okay, now we pour our melted butter mixture in with the brown sugar. Just pour that on top.
all over the place.
Yeah. Now it goes in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. So, see you guys back when that's done. Okay, that's done, so we're gonna see if it comes out. Flip it out.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
That was good. Little stuck to the bottom, but that's okay.
Just one thing stuck to the bottom. Well, we're gonna go give it a taste test.
Yeah.
So we got our peas.
Yeah, I got mine too. So let's rate it and give it a taste. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What would you rate it? A 9?
9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Comment down below if you want to see any more cooking videos. See you guys next time. Bye.
All right, so we got the piece, and we're gonna rate it, and then have the